Rolling.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name
It's Neil. A G T. I'm back.
Joining Asia's Got Talent last season, it changed my life.
Yeah. 2 years of waiting, of practicing. I can't wait to step on stage. I'm so grateful that I got 44 million views on YouTube. God, I really can't believe it. Last season, I made 5 different sounds.
5.
This season, I made 6 different sounds.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I feel so grateful because I didn't expect having a standing ovation.
You are a real showman.
That's from David Foster, the most terror from all the judges. For those who want to learn beatbox, it is really simple. You just need to practice the 3 basic sounds. We have the bass. It's like b, 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 but don't vocalize the b. I'm gonna say b, b, b. That's the bass. Second one is the hi-hat, just like TS. And the third one is the snare, just like B, F, and letter S. So 3 basic sounds. It's like this. That's the 3 basic sounds. After you get that, you can go to the next level by put it humming. And then you will improve that. Just don't give up.
Hey, I'm David Foster. If you want to see more, subscribe to Asia's Got Talent YouTube channel right here.